A very good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Hani Sultana, belongs to Department of Management Studies, SMS College of Technology. Today, we are going to see the topic functions of system perspective in the subject operations management. So we had a recap like differences between goods and services. So earlier we had a topics discussed on like transformation processes, etc. And what is goods and services? We know the differentiation between goods and service. Goods are tangible and services are intangible. And we had seen in the transformation process, that is manufacturing transformation process and services related to transformation process. So we had seen the different examples for goods and services. So what is system perspective and what are the functions of system perspective? System perspective deals with the a proper problem solving solution to the manufacturing unit. That is, it is a holistic approach to problem solving, considering the interconnected elements and their interactions within the system. So how the system works within the organization, which is relevant to the production unit. Okay, and what is the importance of understanding system perspective in problem solving aspect? So we have comprehensive understanding, identifying the root causes, we are anticipating the consequences. So comprehensive understanding gives a view of complex issues. So what are the major issues which is stopping the production unit, and we are identifying the interconnected root causes rather than isolated symptoms. Instead of we are checking after the problem happened, we are planning in advance, we are creating a system so that to eliminate errors and to eliminate to not to start our production, not to stop our production at any point of view, and anticipating consequences. We are enabling the anticipation of unintended consequences of interventions within the system. So if you are taking any reliable solution, what at what point of view those cannot be shattered, or those will give you a proper solution. That is, we are viewing the best out of the alternative solutions available. So what are the key components of system perspective? We have boundaries, feedback mechanism, and interconnections. So when we discuss about the boundaries, it gives the system scope and interactions within the environment. We are talking about the entire production unit, and the feedback is definitely which will not limit within the organization, not within the environment. We are considering both internal and external changes. That is, we are accepting the feedback from the entire usage. And interconnections, so we are understanding this relationship influencing among the system elements, even for the system elements. So what are the examples of applying this system perspective? We can apply this in environmental sciences. So we are studying the ecosystems and the impact of human activities on natural systems. So we can relate. See, healthcare, considering the healthcare as a network of interconnected services and patients, and this two aspects which comes under the uncontrollable, that is unsystematic risk aspects. So we are anticipating, we are connecting the future with the present, and we are checking whether these activities will prevent from this will not happen in the future. And engineering, definitely engineering, when we talk about operations management, the design. So when this system perspective is focused, we are concentrating on the design. So we are making this is the perspective on which this organization has to work to eliminate the waste and to reduce the cost and give the fullest productivity and to attain the maximum profits. So this is our objectivity. And engineering, designing the integrated systems to address the complex societal change and challenges. So what are the challenges? That is what I have given the example in the first two aspects. So here we are seeing what are the challenges when we implement the system perspective: complexity, resistant to change, and interdisciplinary collaboration. We'll see this in the separate topic. This is the overall aspects, and what are the highlighting successful use of system perspective. We have a lot of case studies, that is see, if you see the automotive manufacturing, we have the 15% of efficiency gain in assembly lines, and pharmaceutical production, we see the system perspective implementation improved the quality control and ensuring the compliance. So we have the positive feedback on the relevant case studies, and electronics assembly, which also enhances the productivity and reduce the defects through system perspective strategies. So these are the things which is the outcome from the various case studies we have observed. So what is the aim of just-in production? So we know whether it is to reduce the manpower or zero inventories or overproduction and all of the above. So just in time, it is the one of the inventory method. So we are making all the aspects we are working, that is, so we can claim it as all the above. Thank you for listening the video.